Hey folks, Poverty Boy Customs here. What we're going to do today is unbox and set up my new SaluSpa that I purchased through Costco, Canada. It was $5.99 plus tax. This is a 4-person inflatable hot tub. So it comes with everything you need other than your chemical kit, which I purchased through Canadian Tire for $60 plus tax, and 4 packs of foam mats. These are going to go under the hot tub before I set it up. So I'm going to put it right here in the corner of my deck. Now what I did is I added 7 extra supports underneath because this weighs around 2,100 pounds without anybody in it. That's with the water full. So if you are installing it on a deck, make sure your deck's able to support that weight. So before we unbox this, we're going to put down the foam mats. The reason I have those is a little added protection, just being on wood for splinters and whatnot, as well as for the cushioning. And there we go, it's all done. It took 16 24-inch by 24-inch interlocking foam mats to create the base here. All right, let's get this unboxed and see what's inside. All right, so we got it unboxed. So there's our hot tub itself, our pump and heater unit, our covers and some adapters and a hose to pump it up, and it comes with a small instruction booklet here and here. Now the reason I'm doing this video is a lot of people find the instructions are a little bit difficult, so we're going to go step by step. So we're going to unroll the hot tub itself first and get it centered. So you're going to take this hose and screw it into here, and this is going to allow you to inflate the hot tub. So you're going to want to plug this in. You're going to press the power button, and then you're going to press this button here, and that will start inflating. Next, you're going to take this little part here, and this is going to screw in where it says number 1, just like that. You're going to take your air hose and put it right in there. And you can pull out your air hose and screw this in. And you want it firm, but not to the point it feels like it's going to explode. All right, so in your hot tub, we're going to take off these plastic caps. And this one's going to go on the bottom. This is your filter. And this is your Chem Connect. Just like that. Don't over tighten it. There you go. All right, the next step is to inflate the cover. So we put the inflatable part of the cover inside the actual brown part. You fold it in on the inside. We're going to take our air pump and pump it up through here. All right, so on the back of the hot tubs there's 3 fittings, so we're going to connect these to the actual pump unit. So you're going to pop these off and screw them into the pump. All right, so they're all tightened up. Don't over tighten those. If you notice this here, that's for draining the hot tub. You can hook this up to a garden hose to drain it off the deck or whatnot. All right, so we're getting to the point that we have to decide where we want to place the hot tub before we start putting water in. I think I'm going to set it up in this direction, that way I can easily access the hot tub when I come outside as far as the controls. Alright, so we've got her in position. Actually, I moved the pump to the back there, kind of out of sight, that way it's nice and rounded here, a little less clutter. There's the cover. So the fun part of the show, let's get this thing filled up. Alright, so the hot tub's all full. I used 2 full tanks for my hot water heater to fill it, plus a lot of cold water. That way when I want to heat it up, it's not taking days. Alright, so at the control panel, to turn it on, hold down the power button, make sure it's plugged in. And you can change from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So right now it's showing 102. I had it on a little bit earlier. So this is showing the current temperature of the water. To increase the temperature, you're going to hold down this button here. And then if we want to set it for 103, it's going to flash. And once it remains solid, it will start heating. So this means the pump's on, and this means the temperature is off right now. When this turns red, it means it's heating. And you can also set this for eco mode, when you can determine when you want it to turn on or off. What I do is, again, is I'll leave it at a predetermined temperature, so it will always stay at that temperature. And then when it gets to that temperature, it will turn the heater off. Again, it's green right now, so the heater's off. However, with this, the pump is always going to be circulating. So that's going to be your circulating filter, and then it's going to be coming out of right here with your warm water. And to turn the jets on, just hold this button down. And they are phenomenal. Turn the jets off, press that button right there, and they turn off. So you will notice after a few minutes of not using the keypad, you'll see the lock turn red. To unlock it, so it unlocks the control panel, just hold down this lock and unlock button. I believe it's for 3 seconds, and then you'll be able to use the control panel. To turn the hot tub off, all you do is hold the power button down for a few seconds, then it will turn it off. So what I'm going to do next is put the cover on. So when you're putting the cover on, it has all these little clips all the way around. To unclip it, to take the cover off, you squeeze it on these and push down on that part there, and then just pull out. So they're nice for security, so little children can't get into it, because it's secure by 2 clips here, and you also have to press down there, which is a nice feature. So this was a short video on how to set up your new hot tub. Again, the instructions I found were not the best, that's why I did the video. So this is going to be a few videos on this series with the hot tub. The next one is going to be checking the chemicals and adding the chemicals as necessary. And then we're also going to do another video on how much energy do these actually use. So make sure you follow along. If you have any questions, comments, or tips, make sure you post them below. If not, thanks for watching.